What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Cristiano? Quick demo video for you for your Origin Saber. This is installed with the CFX that you wanted. You've got the CCSabers LEDs in there for your main PCB. This saber also did come with the 2 extra shrouds you're asking about. They're right here and wrapped up, and they'll go back in the box and sent to you, right? But here's your blade retention screw, so that's nice. Just a thumb screw right here. It's a 2-button setup, so your top switch, that'll be your activation, and then your bottom switch over here will be your auxiliary. And then you'll just want to unscrew the handle to get to everything. So we'll take this off real quick. And then here's your chassis. Lots of room for sound resonance. So you can see how long the chassis is compared to the handle. There's a lot of room back here for sound resonance, and it sounds really good. So you got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker, your CFX board on top, and easy access to your SD card right here. Pop it in and out with your finger just like that. And then you got a removable battery setup, right? So spring set over here for your negative. And we will throw a battery in this guy real quick. And then throw the handle on. Once you get that locked all the way down and hit activation. It sounds super mean. Auxiliary. Hold it down for blade lock up. And we'll put a blade in this guy. That sound resonance makes the saber sound really mean. This takes a 1-inch diameter blade. The the PCB retention is part of the chassis. I did not put it inside the emitter piece so that you could have the maximum amount of blade depth possible. So you've got some nice blade depth. Good flash on flash. You just hold down aux and twist your wrist to go to spectrum mode, and then you can just cycle through the colors. So if we like that blue, tap the power. Now we got blue blade. Hold down auxiliary to change your sound fonts.
Sound bank selection.
Nebula. Granny. Lost. Revolved. Shattered. The force unleashed. The old republic. The old republic. Shoot.
Young lady.
This is General Kenobi.
Once you find one, just hold down a button.
Goodness. You're not one to trifle with, are you?
Now, obviously, this has the stock font package on it because you'll be putting your own stuff on it.
I have a bad feeling about this. Let the negotiations begin.
Spectrum.
Let's go to a green blade.
Lovely. More smiling faces. Let the negotiations begin.
Saber's super solid, right?
Very confident, aren't you?
It's like that, and we'll take the blade
This
out.
is the last time Cody takes a day off.
So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much your saber. To get the battery out, it's super simple. We'll just take this handle off real quick. This is a really nice saber. It was made very well. Come over here from the positive side of your battery by your speaker, and you can pop it out with your finger just like that. So let me know if you got any questions, and if not, this will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks, man.